experimenting with a potted Christmas tree this year. While it may be the new year, I think it's all right to talk about Christmas trees. My curiosity was about the carbon sequestration benefit of having a permanent Christmas tree. I was also curious about benefits of Christmas tree farms. My conclusion: both are good. The Christmas tree I got was about 48 inches, 122 cm tall, and a trunk size of 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters. Pro tip: make sure the tree can fit into the van or car. I will admit it was a tight squeeze. Here is a photo of the tree. Did you spot the little robin ornament in there? Now for the benefits. I found iTree. iTree helped me calculate the 20-year benefit of this tree. Detailed link in the description. The 20-year lifetime carbon sequestration benefit, 27.89 kg. This is far from the billions of tons to do. However, it is something and very pleasing to see the math. Now I also looked at the benefits of Christmas tree farms. Tree farms are sequestering carbon while the trees are growing. Additionally, the farms create a wildlife habitat. Tree farms help with soil conservation. Christmas trees are recyclable and can put them to use in your garden. Check out these tips from Epic Gardening. It will be Christmas before you know it. Thanks for watching.